Consider the function fx equals 12x squared minus x cubed. Determine where the function is concave up or concave down. So we know that the second derivative is concave up when the value is greater than 0, and when the second derivative is less than 0, it's concave down. So I can go and see where are these usable. So I'm going to say f at x equals 12x squared minus x cubed. The first derivative of x equals 24x minus 3x squared. My second derivative of x equals 24 minus 6x. Now, it's going to concave up where my second derivative of x is greater than 0. In other words, that is where 24 minus 6x is greater than 0. Okay, if I add 6x on both sides, if I take 24 over to the other side, it becomes negative 6x greater than negative 24. I'm going to divide by negative on both sides. If I divide by negative 6 on both sides, then I'm going to have x. Because I'm dividing by negative, my inequality sign changes in the opposite direction, and this becomes positive 4. So the function concaves up at where x is less than 4. It concaves down, where f, the second derivative of x is less than 0. In other words, that is where 24 minus 6x is less than 0. And we do the same thing. 24 goes over, it is minus 6x less than 0, less than 24. Divide by negative 6 both sides. Sign changes. That is where x is greater than 4. Okay, the last part of the question is, hence state the coordinates of the point of inflection. If it's concaving up on one side of x equals 4, and it concaves down on the other side, it means that where x is 4 is a point of inflection. And I can put that 4 in, and I can show you that if I put 4 into my equation, then the second derivative equals 0. So point of inflection is at x equals 4. Therefore, my second derivative at 4 equals, my function at 4 equals 12 times 4 squared minus 4 cubed, and that gives me an answer of 12 times 16, it's 100 and a lot, minus 64, and that answers 128. So my point of inflection, point of inflection is at x equals 4 and y equals 128. Just a quick look, if that's the point 4, if my graph concaves upward at x less than 4, it means the graph is going like this, concave up, and this one concaves down, and that gives us the point of inflection.